good morning, my dear fourth semester mechanical and automobile students in our states, that is all polytechnics. Today, I will discuss some two types of marks in the fluid mechanics. First of all, pause is the unit of dynamic viscosity in CGS system, which is equal to 9 second per sim square. And 1 poise is equal to 1 by 10 Newton second per meter square. Then what is stroke? Stroke is the unit of kinematic viscosity in CGS system, which is equal to centimeter square per second. Then second one is, I will discuss what is Archimedes principle. Archimedes principle states that whenever a body is immersed wholly or partially in a fluid, it is bad up, that is lifted off by a force equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by the body. Then define center of buoyancy. The point of application of the force of buoyancy on the body is known as the center of buoyancy. It is always the center of gravity of the volume of fluid displayed. Then now I will discuss what is the difference between notch and wear. The main difference between a notch and a wear is that the notch is of small size, but the wear is bigger one. Moreover, a notch is generally made of metallic plates, whereas a wear is usually made of masonry or concrete. Notch is used for measuring the rate of flow of fluid through a small channel or a tank, but wear is used for measuring the rate of flow of water in a river. Then what is define discharge or rate of flow and in its unit. Generally, rate of flow or discharge is defined as the quantity of liquid flowing per second through a section of a pipe or a channel. Generally, it is denoted by capital Q and its unit is Q is equal to AB is equal to meter cube per second, because the unit of area is meter square and unit of velocity is meter per second. Therefore, Q is equal to meter cube per second. Then I will discuss what is Darcy-Weisbach and Chezy's formula. The loss of head in pipes due to friction is calculated from Darcy-Weisbach formula, which is equal to HF is equal to 4FLV square by D into 2G, where HF is equal to loss of head due to friction, L is equal to length of pipe, F is equal to coefficient of friction, V is equal to velocity of flow, D is equal to diameter of the pipe, and G is equal to acceleration due to gravity. Then Chezy's formula. Chezy's formula for loss of head due to friction in pipes is given by V is equal to C root over MI, where V is equal to velocity of a flow through pipes, C is a constant known as Chezy's constant, M is equal to hydraulic mean depth is equal to A by P is equal to pi by 4 d square by pi d, because the area is equal to pi by 4 d square and P is equal to perimeter is equal to pi d. Therefore, M is equal to capital D by 4. And I is equal to loss of head for unit length of pipe. Then, what is the statement of Pascal's law? This law states that the intensity of pressure at any point in a fluid at rest is the same in all directions. That is, Px is equal to Py and Pz. Then define density and its unit. You know that density is defined as the mass of volume per volume of the fluid. Therefore, it is denoted by rho is equal to m by v and its unit is kg per meter cube. And then what is the relationship between absolute pressure, atmospheric pressure and gauge pressure? Generally, the relationship between atmospheric pressure, gauge pressure and absolute pressure is given by P absolute is equal to P atmospheric plus P gauge. Now, there are some two types of questions here. These are very important for your examination. Now kindly refer my notes.